welcome to the channel. I want to pose a question today. The question I posed today is it okay to question your faith? Like, among the Christian community tends to be kind of controversial. Is it okay for us to question what we believe, or why do we believe it? Some people are very die-hard in the sense of you don't question what you believe no matter what. Other people believe that it's okay to question your faith constantly evaluating what you believe and why you believe it. Now, from my experience, I go to Bible school at Liberty University. Every course is set up the same. Why do you believe what you believe? Why do you think that way? And what has made you come to that conclusion? From my experience, I believe this is very important, because if I'm holding a set of false beliefs, then I can actually take those false beliefs and remove them. So what happens if you don't question your faith, or why you believe what you believe, or how you came to that conclusion? Is what's going to happen is you're going to become extremely, in my opinion, extremely dogmatic in certain things. And another reason why it's good to question why we believe what we believe is for examples like this also. So in my class, they're constantly asking, why do you believe in Jesus? Have you had an experience with Christ? Or is there something because your parents told you that you should believe? Or is it kind of like a family tradition that everybody says that they're Christians? Now, in this story, this lady, she believed she was going to heaven. And the reason why she believed she was going to heaven is because she went to this Catholic church and the priest asked her to wash his robes. Now, when she was asked, why do you believe in Jesus, or why do you think you're getting into heaven? She said, well, only because of the fact the priest asked me a couple times a week to wash his robes. Now, she didn't say because she had a relationship with Jesus Christ or she knew him as his personal savior. Her salvation was based on the fact that that priest asked her to wash his garments. Now, the thing is, she thought in her thinking of, well, the priest is a holy person, therefore he would ask another holy person to wash his garments, because it didn't want to desecrate the garments in some way or form. So that was her ideology on that subject. So she believed she was A-okay, no matter what. Like, she believed when she stood before Christ that he would be like, hey, you're good because you washed the priest's garments. But in fact, the real truth is you have to have a relationship with Jesus and know him as your personal savior.